In an exciting partnership with OpenAI, Microsoft is bringing the new Bing search engine to ChatGPT, revolutionizing the default search experience. ChatGPT users will now benefit from a cutting-edge search engine integrated directly into their chat conversations, offering more timely and accurate answers sourced from the web. With the ability to include citations, users can delve deeper into their inquiries without leaving the chat interface. Initially available to ChatGPT Plus subscribers, free users will soon have access by enabling a simple plugin. Microsoft and OpenAI are also driving the growth of the AI plugins ecosystem by supporting interoperability. Bing now welcomes renowned plugins from Expedia, Instacart, Kayak, Klarna, Redfin, TripAdvisor, and Zillow, enabling enhanced functionalities within chat conversations across desktop and mobile devices. These plugins offer conversational trip planning, personalized shopping recommendations, ideal home searches, and more. Furthermore, Bing's plugin platform extends to Windows 11 and Microsoft Edge, offering a seamless and personalized search experience. As the transformation of AI-powered search gains momentum, Microsoft is excited to witness the possibilities and invites users to try the new Bing at bing.com and through the mobile app. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to support small creators.